I'm just a dead boy, got no blood in my veins. I'm just a dead boy, just so stuck in my ways. I'm just a dead boy.
What's up? We got the new Brandon Beacon Scumbag bars in chrome, 9.4 rise, regular length, with the clear holder grips, which are ripped, as you can see that, and the plastic S&M bar ends. Got the Glenn Salyer sticker. Got the Shadow Ravager stem, or Ravager, or however you say it, with the good old black spray painted Sapient fork bolt. We got the Fit FAF tires. I don't know what, like 2.5 or whatever they are, but could care less. They're pretty nice. They get dirty fast. Bought them from TJ. Clear. We got the good old Sapient frame. It's actually not that bad. It's not a known brand, but it's not that bad. The LB sticker. Shout out to LB's. Then we got the brand new Colt pedals. Just the regular ones that most people ride, and then the 8 spline cranks with Verde 24 tooth sprocket with a KMC and Odyssey link chain. Alright, we got the Shadow Conspiracy seat clamp because it goes with my stem, and we have the Eastern Bikes pivotal seat. Nothing too special. Wrap this up, our Mongoose, good old Mongoose pegs, and that's the 2016 bike check.
15.